Need a QR code? You can make one for free in just a few seconds. No sign up, no apps. Let me show you. Go to NexaTools and open the QR code generator. Just type or paste your link right here. As you type, your QR code appears instantly on the right. Now make it yours. Pick the size, small, medium, or large. Change the color to match your brand. It updates live so you see every change right away. Here's the best part. You can add your own logo in the center. Just upload your image and it drops right into the middle, and the code still scans perfectly. Happy with it? Click download and you get a clean PNG ready to print or share. It's completely free and it works right in your browser. Try it now at NexaTools. It's 100% free. Link in the description. Go try it now.